Are you planning to visit Malaysia for tourism, business, or to visit family? Then you need to know about the Malaysia eVISA. Let me break down exactly what it is, who needs it, and how to apply. What is an eVISA? An eVISA, or electronic visa, is an official online visa that allows foreign nationals to enter Malaysia for purposes such as tourism, business, or social visits. It's an official platform where you can apply for your visa from the comfort of your home without having to visit an embassy or consulate in person. Think of it as your digital entry permit. Once approved, you'll receive an electronic visa that you must print out and present upon arrival in Malaysia. Who needs an eVISA? Whether you need an eVISA depends entirely on your nationality. Malaysia maintains a list of countries whose citizens require a visa to enter. You should check the official Immigration Department of Malaysia website to see if your country is on the list. For example, citizens from countries like India, China, Bangladesh, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka generally require a visa to enter Malaysia. However, citizens from ASEAN countries like Singapore, Thailand, and Indonesia are typically visa exempt for short stays. Important note: even if your country is visa exempt, you may still need to complete the Malaysia Digital Arrival Card, or MDAC, before travelling. What are the types of eVISA? There are two main categories of eVISA. First, there's the Visa Without Reference, or VTR. This is for individuals seeking to enter Malaysia for social visits, tourism, business meetings, or visiting family and friends. This is what most tourists will apply for. What documents do you need? Before starting your application, make sure you have these documents ready. Your passport must be valid for at least 6 months from your date of entry. You'll need a clear colour scan of the biodata page. You'll need a recent passport size photograph. The requirements are strict. White background, 3, 5 centimetres by 4. 5 centimetres, no glasses, and no smiling. Do not use scanned photos of physical prints. Upload a digital photo that meets the specifications. You'll also need confirmed flight tickets showing your arrival and departure from Malaysia. Hotel reservations or proof of accommodation for your entire stay are required. If you're staying with friends or relatives, you'll need an invitation letter instead. Finally, you'll need to show proof of sufficient funds. Immigration officials may ask to see evidence that you have at least $1,000 or equivalent in cash, traveler's checks, or credit cards. How to apply step by step. Here is a simple step-by-step breakdown. Step 1. Create an account. Go to the official Malaysia eVISA website at Malaysia eVISA, IMI.gov. Register for an account using your email address. One important note: you cannot apply for an eVISA while you are inside Malaysia, Israel, or North Korea. Step 2. Complete the application form. Log into your account and select the appropriate visa type: VTR for tourism or business, VDR if you have a visa approval letter. Fill in your personal details exactly as they appear on your passport. Double-check everything, especially your name, passport number, and travel dates. Step 3. Upload your documents. Upload scanned copies of your passport biodata page, your photograph, flight itinerary, hotel reservations, and any other required documents. Make sure each file is clear and meets the size requirements. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. The visa fee is approximately 225 Malaysian ringgit, which is about $50. Payment can be made online using a credit or debit card. The fee is non-refundable, even if your application is rejected. Step 5. Wait for processing. Processing time typically takes between 3 to 5 working days. During peak seasons, it may take longer. You will receive an email notification once your application has been processed. Step 6. Download and print your eVISA. Important things to remember. Your eVISA is typically valid for 3 months from the date of issue. You must enter Malaysia within this validity period. Once you arrive, you are generally permitted to stay for up to 30 days, though you should always check the expiry date stamped in your passport by the immigration officer. Having an approved eVISA does not guarantee entry into Malaysia. The final decision rests with the immigration officer at the point of entry. You may still be asked to show proof of sufficient funds, return flight tickets, and hotel reservations upon arrival. Make sure your passport has at least 2 blank pages for entry and exit stamps. What about student and work visas? If you're coming to Malaysia to study or work, the process is slightly different. You or your sponsor must first apply for a visa approval letter, or VAL, through the relevant authorities. For students, this is done through the EMGS system. For workers, your employer applies through the Expatriate Services Division. Once you have your VAL, you then apply for an eVISA under the visa with reference category to enter Malaysia. After arrival, you will convert to the appropriate long-term pass. Final checklist. Before you travel, make sure you have your passport with at least 6 months validity, your printed eVISA, your confirmed return flight ticket, your hotel reservations or invitation letter, proof of sufficient funds, and your MDAC confirmation if required. If this video helped you understand the Malaysia eVISA process, hit that like button, drop a comment below with any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more travel guides. Safe travels and enjoy your trip to Malaysia.